everyone. Welcome to the maths class. Earlier, we have started with the chapter ratio and proportion. Now, objectives related to this chapter are introduction and types of ratio, introduction and types of proportion, properties of proportion, and sums based on properties of proportion. We have already discussed introduction and types of ratio, introduction and types of proportion, and properties of proportion. So today we are going to discuss sums based on properties of proportion. As we know, there are two methods to solve sums of proportion. First method is by K method and second method is by properties of proportion. In case of K method, small value is given and we have to prove big value. And in case of properties of proportion, given value is big and we have to prove small value. For example, here given A upon B equals to C upon D, this is small value. And to prove value is 3a plus 2b upon 3a minus 2b equals to 3c plus 2d upon 3c minus 2d. In this question, here small value is given and we have to prove big value. In this case, this is the K method. And here in this example, given value is big and we have to prove small value. So here we have to use properties of proportion. Now look at the first example. Using the properties of proportion, if A ratio B equals to C ratio D, and we have to show that 3A plus 2B ratio 3A minus 2B equals to 3C plus 2D ratio 3C minus 2D. So in this case, small value is given and big value we have to prove. This is the K method. So according to the K method, first of all we have to write given. So A ratio B is equals to C ratio D. Then write in the fraction form A upon B equals to C upon D. According to the K method, we have to equal these ratios equals to K. From here, value of A is B into K, BK, and value of C is D into K, DK. Now to prove value is 3a plus 2b ratio 3a minus 2b equals to 3c plus 2d ratio 3c minus 2d. So to prove this value, first of all write in the fraction form. We have to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. Now fill value of a and c here. So value of a is bk. After filling this value, 3 into bk plus 2b upon 3 into bk minus 2b. And after filling value of c equals to dk, 3 into dk plus 2d upon 3 into dk minus 2d. After filling the value, left hand side is 3bk plus 2b upon 3bk minus 2b. And right hand side is 3dk plus 2d upon 3dk minus 2d. Now from left hand side, in the numerator and denominator both b is common, and in the right hand side, numerator and denominator here d is common. So from here b is finished and from right hand side d is finished. Then left out value is 3k plus 2 upon 3k minus 2, and right hand side also 3k plus 2 upon 3k minus 2 is left after cutting. Now left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So here our question is proved. So next example is using componendo and dividendo, find the value of x. So square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5 upon square root of 3x plus 4 minus square root of 3x minus 5 equals to 9. To solve this type of question, we have to apply some steps here. So first step is apply componendo and dividendo. Second step, squaring both sides. Third step, cross multiplication. And fourth step is collect like terms. So in this case, first of all, complete the fraction here, 9 upon 1. After this, we have to apply componendo and dividendo. So formula is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. After applying componendo and dividendo here, next step is square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5 plus square root of 3x plus 4 minus square root of 3x minus 5 upon square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5 minus, and in the bracket denominator is square root of 3x plus 4 minus square root of 3x minus 5. Now in the numerator, both values are same and with opposite sign. So these values are finished. So under root 3x plus 4 is 2 times. So in the next step, 2 times under root 3x plus 4. Now in the denominator, after opening this bracket here, value is square root of 3x plus 4 plus square root of 3x minus 5 minus square root of 3x plus 4. Here outside bracket minus sign is there. So it means inner sign will change. So plus under root 3x minus 5 is there. And at the right hand side, numerator is 9 and denominator is 1. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So after filling the value in the formula, 9 plus 1 upon 9 minus 1, that is equals to 10 upon 8. And after cutting, value is 5 upon 4. Now in the next step, 3x plus 4 and 3x plus 4 is same and signs are opposite. So these values are finished here. Now 2 times under root 3x minus 5 will come. Now numerator and denominator 2 is same. So 2 is finished. After this, left out value is square root of 3x plus 4 upon square root of 3x minus 5 equals to 5 upon 4. Now after squaring both sides, square and square root is finished. So left out value is 3x plus 4 upon 3x minus 5, and from here square of 5 is 25 and square of 4 is 16. Now next step is cross multiplication here. Now after cross multiplication, 16 into 3x plus 4 equals to 25 into 3x minus 5. After multiplication, 16 into 3, 48x, and 16 multiply 4 is 64 equals to 25 into 3x is 75x, and 25 into 5 is equals to 125. Now next step is collect like terms. So 64 plus 125 is equals to 75x minus 48x. After solving, after adding from here, 189 will come, and after subtracting, 27x is there. Now next step is we have to do cutting. After cutting, value of x is 7. Now next example is if x equals to square root of 3a plus 2b plus square root of 3a minus 2b upon square root of 3a plus 2b minus square root of 3a minus 2b, we have to prove that bx square minus 3ax plus b equals to 0. So according to this question, again big value is given to you. We have to prove small value. So here we have to apply properties of proportion. So according to this, first of all, complete the fraction here. After completing the fraction, we have to apply some steps. So look at this question. Here both sides variables are there. It means in this question steps will change. In the previous example, one side only constant term is there. So in that question only 4 steps were there. But in this question total 5 steps are there. Step 1 is apply componendo and dividendo. Squaring both sides. Apply componendo and dividendo again. then cross multiply, and last step is collect like terms. So according to the first step, apply componendo and dividendo. So after applying componendo and dividendo, so formula is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. After applying this formula, left hand side is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to square root of 3a plus 2b plus square root of 3a minus 2b plus square root of 3a plus 2b minus square root of 3a minus 2b upon square root of 3a plus 2b plus square root of 3a minus 2b minus square root of 3a plus 2b plus square root of 3a minus 2b. So in the numerator, square root of 3a minus 2b is with opposite sign. So in the numerator, this value is finished. And in the denominator, square root of 3a plus 2b is with the opposite sign. So this value is also finished. So left out value is 2 times 3a plus 2b square root and 2 times square root of 3a minus 2b here. So from here 2 is finished. Now left out is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equals to square root of 3a plus 2b upon square root of 3a minus 2b. Now we have to apply second step, squaring both sides. So after squaring, value is x plus 1 whole square upon x minus 1 whole square is equals to under root 3a plus 2b whole square upon under root 3a minus 2b whole square. Now square and root is finished. After this, value is 3a plus 2b upon 3a minus 2b only. And in the left hand side, this is the formula of a plus b whole square and this one is a minus b whole square. So formula is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Applying formula, value is x square plus 1 plus 2x upon x square plus 1 minus 2x is equals to 3a plus 2b upon 3a minus 2b. Now we have to apply third step. Third step is again apply componendo and dividendo. So now after applying componendo and dividendo, here numerator plus denominator we have to do on both sides. So here value is x square plus 1 plus 2x plus x square plus 1 minus 2x upon x square plus 1 plus 2x. Here opposite signs will come, minus x square minus 1 plus 2x is equals to numerator plus denominator first. So 3a plus 2b plus 3a minus 2b upon 3a plus 2b minus 3a and plus 2b, because in the denominator minus sign is there. We have to do next step, cross multiply and collect like terms. So after solving this, value is 2x square plus 2 upon 4x is equals to 6a upon 4b. Now from here in the denominator 4 is same, so 4 is finished from here. So we have to do cross multiply from here. So after cross multiply, value is 2x square plus 2 multiply b is equals to 6a into x. From left hand side 2 is common. So value is 2 into x square plus 1 into b equals to 6ax. So from here after shifting and cutting, answer is 3 after cutting. So value is x square plus 1 into b equals to 3ax now. Now after multiplying with b, value is bx square plus b equals to 3ax. Now we have to collect all the values. So final answer is bx square plus b minus 3ax equals to 0. This is the value, which value we have to prove according to the question. Now students, you are able to solve sums related to these topics that will come in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.